Mama Akwaba, wa frame Adjoa search him. Mesrel, now wa subscribe to my channel. Near notification bell also for more news.
Beminia, obi mfa video in tag eja kwamra UTV my. I say ye ni abru. Ye papa ko wu midris. That time abai na ntimi anhwe ni o. Nti school ni ntimi anko bi o. Nti sa abai bi aba na na kufu ado abai ne Dr. Bawomi abai aba. No omo bua mo brofo te say ye ne mo ane ye ni bi na. Eja kwamra onye din no nteno. Eja kwamra me podi dua se politician bi the Ghana scam ne di wo bre mfamla kwa so a me di nsuo mienu anto nsuo nyama na aba ankro waja kwamna me bowdua ana secret tape bi apie tape bai enti agenda amahyehyɛ ama ya sɛ mu hanya galamse asemu am ya keka bi me ato aba etie no mo kai yagimi ohun eja kwamna yenim ba bi awo yenim ba bi awgina se politician bi the Ghana scam wadi ana nan kura wo peso wo mo bra me ko bowdua wuti kakraka no me bowdua ma uti na ho no uti ne ba ho no kakraka ate de me kan won fa video no tag eja kwamna ma say MPP no mo brohu a wo huna magana man no emofra wo mu ndibie ahiafo ma say eja kwamna say wo ya against no on the NDC 40 scam ani di na mra kwa so nti wo be sole atie ani a eja kwamna ma bowdua wie wo uti sa bim wonim bim
ya che eye Gomua West NDC chairman and the two others be musa fe ya bom bail
I say the most nyansa
ya what they say kind you to another
meba we obi adwene aban bi adwene nu and o si there be e bre enti we say constituency bia ensan kasa equipment no say the be ya sa aban kura enya town aban kura enya sika so ba be ye okwan amawa obetime de no aye kakra say de bia potus enfutu ni na ma ensen fata no enhaw obedwiri kwan yiye bibia be kama ansa na ebia aban kwa baba ba the full asphalt kura mawo edi say be ye rough road ebi si Uganda biu sa aban bia ye sa adwene na wuti baby ana wo say aban die ana say aban project ana say aban juma enti enu kwa say obi edi ni picture kobo so na wo ba abem na wonu nyansa wa tena ba ni muda almo tena muda ye kan language yes MBC abem MPP nya bi da
ai
ana no wa fa sa dwene namba say enti na me ka no say eni kwan say ye giga na tumi sa hye nkofo yin bi because they don't have idea. They don't have it. They say, we fele, and you know, why you be, or being carried. Because we want to preach a couple of Basano, yeah, who says I didn't hear irrelevant, and Quabia. But who say, yeah, they are no, a couldn't even there was also there, which year the Everton said the free education bus said, Mamma Smith, me, eh, it ain't Ghanaians, any no way. But when you man can say something wanka, and the name of Mumu and Kamunye, because Nipa Bibri no more assassin mo. Because Sadiano, Abu Bibri Abem. Ah, Nanama, ye uncle for ye no ye entiasio. Ade MPP na dibai. Mumu yoma de resu yaba no so di aba. Nanto kwa akoko mfasema na woso. Omo omo nyansa no. Enti ombu lusu mo vote ni na ma omo ye no. Because nipa na adwene ye shabia no o se na dabi mu de o madwene di agro MPP na di sa na mane baaye o tuna ban mu di na baaye basis na ko brande ye no wana be kan wo ko kan ho asem so enti ni iyaye na na rokonku kan ni na yaye ni na rokonku ko bar ankalin mu yaje didi rayuwa siyasa wallahi ra'ayi ne na kowa in kana so ka yi in baka so ka bari amma kuma mu yi kan adalci kan siyasa da muke sabida gwamnati MPP abinda gwamnati MPP ke yi ina taimakon talakawa ne ya taimaki mu mutane zango ya taimaki musulunci mu kuma ya kara na yi wanga magana last time na ce in kun ce NDC shine party mutane zango ina son tambaye ku shine party musulmai ina son tambaye ku entire NDC suka yi governors for 8 years so gada mun makaranta guda da suka gina cikin Ghana ba batu education muke yi ba education muke yi ba e-blocks muke yi ba makaranta da gaske sunan shi makaranta guda MPP yayi makaranta over 20 cikin Ghana na kare zo kan wani malamin da yayi magana kan bomiya amma na zo wurin so ina tambayan ku gwada mu da makaranta guda da John Ma'amman ya gina ba mutane zango so ya fi mu wise up mu understand mu san party da ke so mu in ba mu son shi to wallahi kan mu zage shi kuma kan mu kariya domin musulunci ni da kai ya hana kai mutum kage ka fada abin da mutum bai yi ba so me ki ka kono me ki kan ne biya emma yeyin kofo no ebati ne ma asibibre ene nti asene de eba te bia so eba sesi
ba Mr. You ade ba ko e bia be de be kan wo hwe eye Gomua West de da MP no so one rich or treat wo treat you so da be kire ba wo se be common fund meanwhile Ghana for na say eye yeduadum zongo for abutie United Zongo for Baumieri MPB a common fund enka ho.
Yes, of course.
Because you no common fund the atitele the akwakoto equipment.
That's when him.
Aba eya aban ejapade but Baumia can time without number. Say a critical roads committee ono no ye chairman. E don no the idea e no the by into for parliament. Into for parliament no. Enye MP's common fund and the atitele. Now way 2240 equipment.
Who common fund is saying?
Pacho Mr. You there to us.
Now who common fund also common fund is saying? Who common fund is saying?
Aye.
Common fund is saying?
Say.
Are we doing any more?
2240 equipment.
What do you know?
I'm just antro. Mahama Kebi say you and you be MPB a common fund.
Mr. Common fund is saying. Who common fund is saying? Who common fund is saying? And the people are just one take you for granted. As already one go tell me here, Massa, Mopia, Mongo Cassi. I didn't wear dia. Galafon to Abama you. Mumma Takashini, a film. And Cassadiano. Mate, a common fan home. And 10 people are matana of Yonisubidana. And this a matana muda. No common fan in you. I don't want funny.
Aye.
Miss one matana of Yonimudana. And just not common fan in one. I don't know why you so common fan in ye. Say a common fanner. I don't know when you so common fan in Nanye.
No bread.
Na common fan and Cassano, what to me at first quarter, second quarter, no music when you're my. Yakwati won ya kwa machine wi. About me do third fourth quarter no music kwa emi my. E did not even try on tono mo twa etu Ghana so. Say mo common fan ma. E bi to first quarter no common fan ma. Na common fan ma ya e dey TTB so akoto to machines no. It is sometimes NDC Mr. Let mu nipa entinem biase. But ne say the musi person mo dey mine ko no. De brenu adwene atrasa ne ma no. De bre adwene atrasa ne ma no. Because meba ekoto malem bia NDC fo akoma ni sika bi se onkoye some na me bia ensen fata. But be me yesa come some o kan be me kabi kakra. Asana matuo me komoso. Ba me kan wa Hausa. Malamina Malam Tofik kuma yaya nani mutum in baka son shi kamar adalci